The following video is a guide on how to use the 150 to 650 range of balers with lever controls. Firstly, at the back of the baler, place the strapping rolls onto the holder provided. The number of rolls will depend on the model you purchased. Next, tread each strap up into the hole at the back of the chamber as illustrated. Inside the chamber, pull each of the straps down to the base and place inside each of the U-shaped channels. Close the bottom door and pull each strap through the slots provided. Loop and knot each strap. And push into the slots provided. With the top door open, load material into the compaction chamber. Close the top door and press the start button and the lever in the down position to run a cycle. At full stroke, press the start button and push the lever valve up. Repeat the process of loading and compacting material into the chamber. When the compaction plate reaches the bale full decal on the top door, it is time to tie and complete the bale. With the compaction head fully up, open the top door. Next, using the tie feed bar, pull the straps from the back of the baler. Then pull the straps through the bottom door slots. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Only the bottom portion of the cut strapping needs to stay in the slot for tying. Close the top door. Press the start button and press the lever valve down. Tension and knot the top and bottom ends on each of the straps. Press the start button and push the lever valve up, making sure the compaction plate is in the home position. Fully open both top and bottom doors. Place a pallet in front of the bale chamber. On the controls, turn the selector switch to eject mode. Press the start button and the eject lever together to extend the ejector plate, which will remove the bale onto the pallet.